Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this lovely occasion, I would like to thank you for the time that has been given to me to present my paper with the title Interest Flooding Attack in Name Data Network, case study on Palaparing Topology. Okay, let me introduce myself and my partner to you. My name is Jupriyadi and my partner is Saiful Ahdan, Adi Sucipto, Ahmad Eki, Hasan Nur Arifin, and Mr. Nana Rahmana Sambas. My presentation consists of the following part. First, introduction to name data networking. Second, security attack in name data networking. The third, interest flooding attack in name data networking. And the last is method, result, discussion, and future work. Okay, let's start with the first part. Introduction to Name Data Network or NDN. NDN is a new approach future internet architecture with different paradigm from TCP/IP, which architectural modification focus on what the content rather than where the address. User can obtain the data without having to know where the data is. In NDN, allow user to float the data request without any knowledge about the hosting entity. In NDN, the whole communication in NDN is done by using two different type of packet. We call them interest packet and data packet. Both of them carries a name which identifies the required data. Packet interest is the packet sending by consumer to request the data, and data packet is reply interest packet that contain the data. The communication is started by the consumer or receiver. When consumer wants some data, then they send the name in the interest packet. The packet flow in reverse the path taken by the interest to get back to the requesting consumer. In NDN, there are three components, namely content store or CS, pending interest table or PIT, and forwarding information base or FIB. Content store function as a data caching system on the router according to consumer request, and then pending interest table or PIT serve to store information on interest packet that enter to the router, and FIB serve to forward interest packet that cannot be served by content store or CS. How NDN works? If if the interest packet enter to the router, what will router do? This is not NDN router or NDN route. First, the router will be find the name in CS. If found, then will be sent to the consumer. But if not found, the router will be check the name in the PIT. If found in PIT, the router will be add incoming interface. But if not found, the router will be add new interest and send it to interest packet to FIB. FIB will be forward to the another router. If the data found and enter to the router, so a router will be check the name in PIT according to the data. If not found, the data will be dropped. If found, the data will be saved in content store and sent to the consumer. Okay, now I'd like to look the next part, security attack in NDN. There are four main categories of attack on NDN. First, interest flooding attack or IFA. The attacker sends so many interest packet that legitimate consumer are unable to submit request to producer. The victim are consumer, router, and producer. The second attack is case pollution attack. For this attack, the attacker tries to request data on the NDN router by accessing unpopular content. The impact is that the hit ratio value of content store in NDN decreases. As a result, legitimate user request will get a low chance of obtaining a cache hit. The third attack is cache privacy attack. In cache privacy attack, the attacker attempt to determine whether any sensitive content has been recently accessed. As a result, attacker can find user access pattern, access content, and other sensitive content. And the last, content poisoning attack. The attacker construct a router to respond to requests with fake or corrupted content. The content will store in another content CS router. If there is a request for content from the consumer, the fake or corrupted content will be sent to the legitimate consumer. In this paper, we focus on interest flooding attack or IFA attack. This is palaparing topology used for our experiment. There consists one producer in Sabang node, and then one consumer in Lampung node, and two attacker in Natuna and Tual node. Our experiment using NDN SIM which parameter setting show on the table. We set the content store size 0 and 100, and then PIT size 100, simulation time 5 seconds. Legitimate request prefix, we use NDN /NDN/ID/ITB, and malicious request prefix, we use /NDN/ID/ITB/attacker1 and attacker2. And then the number of producer 1, the number of consumer is 1, and then the number of attacker 2, legitimate request rate 100, malicious request rate we set to 100, 500, 1000, 1500, and 2000. Legitimate request time is and malicious request time is 5 seconds. In the right side, we can show the graph of comparison of out interest and out satisfied interest without attacker. 100 attacker, 100 interest attack, 500 interest attack, and 1000 interest attack. There is no significant effect on out satisfied interest. The red line show the interest packet sent or out interest, and the blue line show the out satisfied interest. It means the interest packet average can be served in this condition. The effect on interest flooding attack start with the 100 and 1,500 interest packet sent from to attacker. We can see on the graph out interest packet sending by legitimate user or consumer. Not all can be served by router or producer. It is same effect with 2,000 interest packet sent by attacker, which the number of out satisfied interest is decreases. The red line show the interest packet sent from the consumer, and the blue line show the out interest satisfied. It means the interest packet cannot be served all. We can see, take a sample, interest packet send the consumer send 100 interest packet, but only 64 interest packet can be served by the router or producer. Then we compare interest satisfaction ratio to see how much interest satisfaction in percentage. This is the formula, interest satisfaction ratio. The formula is number of interest divided by number of satisfied interest multiply 100%. We can see from the graph with the 1,500 interest attack and 2,000 interest attack sent by attacker, make the interest satisfaction ratio is decreases. Okay, based on our experiment, we can make the conclusion. First, interest flooding attack can result in a decrease in the value of the interest satisfied ratio, which means that all requests from consumer to producer cannot be served. The second, the more interest attack carried out by the attacker make the smaller value of the interest satisfied ratio of the consumer. This research focus on the impact that arise due to interest flooding attack carried out simultaneously with sending interest packet from consumer. Future research, we will examine other IVA attack models where delivery is carried out based on different time interval and age fixed producer. In addition, it will also study how to detect and mitigate this attack. Okay, that's what I can present. Hopefully it is useful. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.